If you're someone who has just started the outreach game and now you're looking to get more in-depth insight that what exactly is happening with the emails that you are sending in the outreach, whether someone is opening it, from where it's getting opened, and how many times your emails are getting opened, where your email subject lines were optimized enough that it is even getting opens in the first place. Now, if you are looking to get these kind of insights for your cold email outreach, you're at the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you the exact step by step process of how you can get these insights in your email, especially if you're using Gmail, all for free without doing any complicated setup, without knowing any tech or coding aspect, just using a free extension. Yes, you heard that right. You can track all these insights, and you can even set crm within your Gmail all for free. So if you're looking to get these insights, just get a cup of coffee and then let's dive into the process of how we can extract these kind of information that you can use to optimize your email outreach. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up this tool, how to set up this extension, and how to configure this with your email account, how to connect the backend, and how to exactly track using this tool. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, if I share my screen here real quick, you might be able to see that I got my email here, and I'll be using this email to connect with the extension. You can type this tool name that's called Streak. You have to type Streak extension and you can look for the first link that's open here. You can go to these other links as well, but you have to add this extension to your Chrome browser or whatever browser that you're using. So I'll click on this one and I'll come here. Then I'll click on Add to Chrome. Once I have clicked on that, I can see this add extension option. Now I'll just let this extension to add in my browser. Just wait and give it a couple of seconds and it will automatically get added to the browser. Okay, so now it is here. The next thing that I'm going to do here is pin this Streak extension to my browser here, and then I can open my email. Now, once I have opened my email, you can see the streak here. You can also see it on the left side sometimes. So here is where you can see streak. If you don't see it, you can refresh it once and you will see it on the left side. Now, once you have it, you can see streak sign in. You have to click on this and then you can see sign in with Google or don't use streak in this account. If you don't want to use Streak with this account, you can just click on that and that should be it. But if you want to use Streak with your Google account, you can click on sign in with Google. This is my burner email that I'm using. So I'll sign in with this email. Then I'll click on continue. I'll give it all the accesses that is asking. And then okay, so now the streak has been configured with my Gmail. I can check the open rates, I can check all the other metrics. You can see in the left side, you get option to add contacts, that is in the free trial, but you can also look at these other things that you can add, and then you have tracked emails. Here you can see all the emails that has been opened or that you are tracking. Now I'll show you how you can track your emails, whether it's open or from how many times it's getting open or from where it's being opened, all those insights. So what I'll do is I'll write an email to my another email. Okay, so this is my another email. Only testing streak. Hello, I am testing streak. Stop and then send. Okay, so now it's sent. Let me go to the sent bar and then look at this. Now, when you open this email, you will see at the left side there is a green colored eye, and here as well, besides you will see this eye that has like a cross on it. So, what you have to do is click on this, and then you can try to open your other email that you have sent with this email. So, what I'll do is I'll open this email. So I can see this email has been received by my this email, and I'll come here. So you see there is no view yet, but although I have opened it, so let me refresh this real quick. Okay, so now that you see, I have sent this email at 11:28, and now when I see it at 11:29 p.m., I can see that this email has been opened from an unknown location. Now, sometime it even show you the location if this is like active, or if the location has been identified. So let's say if you're sending to any foreign countries, or if you're sending at the same location, it can resolve the location for you as well. So let's say if you are sending your emails and a person has opened it 5 or 10 times, so it seems that they are interested in what you are offering, but they are not getting enough time, or maybe there is some kind of hurdle that is stopping them to reply and take an action on your email. So that is how you can analyze all these stats and figure out how to use like this extension. Now, there are multiple use cases that you can use this extension for. For example, as you have seen, you can store contacts, you can do mail merge, you can create pipeline, and you can do much, much